Hi everyone, welcome back again to Deb's Delight. Today I'm back with you with another delicious and healthy fresh homemade juice. So if you want to see how I made this deliciousness, please keep watching. I'll begin by peeling off the skin of my pineapple. Please know that I washed this very well with some brush, my chicken brush of course, some white vinegar and some warm water, as I'm going to boil the skin, so it needs to be very clean as possible. I'll then transfer the skin to my pot. The dark spots or dots on the pineapple can cause your throat and mouth to itch, so I make sure that when I'm making my juices, I cut enough off. I'll then chop my pineapple into halves and then quarters, just to make sure that I cut off the hard core in the pineapple, as I'm not going to blend it with it. I'll then transfer the hard core to the pot and add enough water, about half cup of brown sugar, and set it on fire to boil. Of course, if you do not like sugar, you can always use honey, but when I'm making this juice, I don't like the strong taste the honey adds to the juice, so I stick to brown sugar. It's always down to preference, okay? While that boils away, I'll continue prepping the ingredients. So I'll just chop the pineapple into tiny chunks, as I'll be blending it later. I'll then introduce my ginger, which I've washed very well, and chop it as well. As I always mention, when I'm making my juices, I do not peel my ginger, but you can always peel it, as it does add a little bit of bitterness to your juice. So if you don't like it, please go ahead and peel it, okay? I'll then transfer this to my blender and add a little bit of water and blend it all together. Now this juice comes with a whole lot of benefits. The stalk of the pineapple contains something called bromelain, which provides anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce inflammation and improve digestion as well. It's a good source of vitamin C. It keeps your eyes healthy, it helps with digestion, it helps prevent colds, and also improve your bone health. So it does come with so many other benefits which I can't name all here. So if you do try this, remember that you are also keeping healthy as well as enjoying, as it tastes so good. I've then transferred all the blended ingredients and strained it very beautifully. I will rinse the blender with just a little bit of water and strain every drop of juice from the chaff. As I do not want to leave any to chance at all, I'll transfer the chaff or the bits of the pineapple and ginger to my blender again and blend it until I get some of the juices out again. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. You're very welcome. My name is Debbie and the name of the channel is Deb's Delight. And on here, I aspire to bring your way a lot of healthy recipes and delicacies. If you do enjoy this video and all my other videos, please be kind to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to join the family grow. Thank you so much in advance. Now checking on the skin and the stalk, which has been boiling away beautifully on medium-low heat. So this has boiled for about 15 minutes and the aroma is so sweet. It can actually serve as an air freshener for your home. Add some cinnamon and some cloves and your home will smell magical. So at this point, I'll take out all the skin and strain it until any bits or any unwanted particles are strained out. Now I do not throw out the stalk because of the sugar and it being boiled. It makes it really tasty, so I always munch on it when I'm putting this recipe together. Firstly, I'll strain my blended pineapple and ginger further with some cheesecloth, as you do not want any bits in this juice at all. You do not want any bits, especially from the ginger. It has to be smooth and silky as possible. So with my gloves on, I'll strain this even more until all the juice is strained out beautifully. And just look at that chaff. We do not need that in our juice at all. I'll go ahead and also strain the boiled part or the boiled juice so that every particle is also strained out. I'll then allow the boiled juice to cool off before I add it to the other part. But before then, I will be squeezing some lemon, which will accentuate the flavor. So I will put enough pressure and roll it on my chopping board, which will make it easier to juice out the juices from the lemon. So with my lemon squeezer, I'll squeeze out the lemon to my juice and also combine the two juices at this point, and our juice at this point is coming together beautifully. We are almost there, okay? Having combined the two juices beautifully, I'll stir it very well so that they are both combined very well, and it is time to enjoy. But to enjoy this and to make it even more attractive, I'll transfer it to my jug, serve some on some ice as we are in summer. And this hot weather calls for some cold drink. If you did enjoy watching this video, please be kind to like, comment, share with others so they will also be able to recreate this for themselves. And also kindly subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so, and turn on your notification button so that whenever I post a video, you will be instantly notified. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you the most. Bye for now.